Hello students, today we will take up aggregates of national income. There are many aggregates in national income to measure the value of goods and services in terms of money. Let us start with gross domestic product at market price. By making adjustments in GDP at MP, we can derive other aggregates. That is the reason first we will take up gross domestic product at market price. So GDP at MP refers to the gross market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. In this definition, four important points is to be noted down. First one is gross. Gross signifies that no provisions have been made for depreciation. That is, it includes depreciation. So, because of it is gross, so depreciation will be a part of it. Next word is domestic. This stands for domestic. Domestic. It means it includes goods and services produced by all units located within the domestic territory of a country, irrespective of fact whether produced by a resident or non-resident. Third, P. P stands for product. That is, product are final goods and services. It means only final goods and services have to be included while calculating aggregates of national income. And the fourth, the last is MP, that is market price, market value. It means it includes amount of indirect taxes paid and exclude the subsidies received. That is, it shows that net indirect taxes have been included. It's obvious that market value includes taxes. That is why whenever there is market price, it includes taxes and excludes subsidies. So this was about gross domestic product at market price. On basis of this gross domestic market price, we will derive other aggregates. First one is gross domestic product at factor cost. It refers to gross money value of all the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. Between GDP at MP and GDP at FC, in the definition, you will notice only one thing a difference. That is, here it is gross market value, and in gross GDP at FC, it will be gross money value. Other than this, the whole definition will be same. So if you have learned the definition of GDP at MP, you can easily write the definition of GDP at FC. But point to be noted is, in this case it is gross market value. In GDP at FC, it will be gross money value. So to derive GDP at FC from GDP at MP, what to be done? Let's check out. The difference between GDP at FC and GDP at MP, if you see this word to word, GDP, GDP. Here it is FC, that is factor cost. Here it is market price. And we have already studied the difference between market price and factor cost is net indirect tax. And in this case, you have to convert market price into factor cost. So you will deduct net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes includes indirect taxes minus subsidies. So to find out GDP at FC from GDP at MP, you will subtract net indirect taxes. The next is NDP at MP. NDP at MP means it refers to the net market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. Again, the difference between GDP at MP and NDP at MP is single. Again, I'm telling you what is difference. If you have learned this definition, you can easily write this definition also here. So here, what is the difference? Here it is gross market value. In NDP case, it will be net market value, and rest of the definition will be as it is. Let's take up numerically. If you have to derive NDP at MP from GDP at MP, so what you will do? The difference between GDP at MP, if you look, the difference is only of gross. Here it is net. So to convert gross into net, we have already studied, we need depreciation. And here you are converting gross into net, so you will deduct depreciation. Depreciation is also known as consumption of fixed capital. Okay, next. If you have to convert GDP at FC into NDP at MP, what you will do here in this case? Here the difference is, first difference is, it is net, here it is gross. Convert gross into net, again same thing which you have done earlier, you will subtract depreciation. The other difference is, it is a factor cost and here it is market price. So to convert factor cost into market price, what you will do? The difference is NIT, but here you are converting factor cost into market price. Means a good factor cost is going to the market value, so tax will be included, so NIT will be added. Next is NDP at FC. This is an important one because NDP at FC, net domestic product at factor cost, is also known as domestic income. NDP at FC refers to the net money value of all final goods and services produced within a domestic territory of a country during a period of 1 year. So how to derive domestic income from GDP at MP or from GDP at FC? Let's take up this. If you have to convert GDP at MP into NDP at FC, difference again to be checked out is, first is N, here it is G, gross, net. So you have to convert gross into net, so depreciation will be used and you will subtract it. The next difference is market price and factor cost, so you will subtract NIT, as we have done earlier also, because market price include taxes and factor cost does not include taxes. So to convert market price into factor cost, you will deduct net indirect tax. If you have NDP at MP and you have to convert that NDP at MP into NDP at FC, in this case simply is, the difference is only of MP and FC, so NIT will be used only and you will subtract NIT. Again I am repeating it, NDP at FC is also known as domestic income. GDP at MP, GDP at FC, NDP at MP and NDP at FC. These all four were domestic concepts. Now we will take up a national concepts. So first is your GNP at MP. GNP at MP refers to the gross market value of all final goods and services produced by a normal resident of a country. This is the difference between GNP at MP and GDP at FC. It was domestic territory, here is normal resident. So to derive GNP at MP from GDP at MP, what we'll do? We'll add NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. GNP at FC refers to the gross money value of all final goods and services produced by the normal resident of a country during a period of 1 year. So GNP at MP, if you have GNP at MP, you have to convert it into GNP at FC. So the difference here is again market price has to convert it into factor cost. So you will deduct net indirect taxes. The next is net national product at market price. So it refers to net market value of all final goods and services produced by a normal resident of a country during a period of 1 year. The difference between gross national product at market price and net national product at market price is only, here it is gross market value, here it will be net market value. Rest of the definition will remain same. So the difference here is only of gross and net. So in this case you will subtract depreciation. If you have GDP at MP and that has to be converted into NNP at MP, GDP and MP is a domestic concept and NNP at MP is a national concept. So here in this case what we will do? First, the difference is of net and gross. So you have to convert gross into net, so depreciation will be subtracted. Next term is national and next, here it is domestic. So you have to convert domestic into national. For this case you have to add NFIA, net factor income from abroad. If you have NDP at MP, again it is a domestic concept, and here you have to convert into NNP at MP. In this case net, national, domestic, rest of the things are same, only difference is here it is national, here it is domestic. So to convert domestic into national you will add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, that is from minus 2. The last topic of today is NNP at FC, and it is very much important because it is also known as national income, and national income is always at factor cost. Please remember this. So so definition of national income is, it refers to net money value of all the final goods and services produced by the normal resident of a country during a period of 1 year. If you have NNP at MP and you have to convert into national income, that is NNP at factor cost, the difference here is market price, here it is factor cost. So what you will do? NIT. The difference between MP and FC is NIT. So here you will subtract NIT. Next, if you have GNP at MP, if you have GNP and MP and you have to convert into NNP at FC. So in this case the difference is gross and net. The first is you will subtract depreciation because you are converting gross into net. And next difference is factor cost, here it is, here is market price. So you have to convert, market price has to convert into factor cost. So taxes has to be subtracted. So net indirect taxes is subtracted here. NNP at FC is also known as national income. By today, your national income aggregates gets over and you people all ready for the next topic, that is measurement of national income. Thank you.